Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable auto join for meetings in Read AI. So let's begin. First, before you go to that section, go to your account first or log in to the official website. On the left panel over here, I would like you to go to the bottom part, which is your profile tab. Click on that, then left click account settings. Then over integrations, click over here, click on meeting assistant. This is what we want. Then over here, the very first option, auto join meetings. Allow read assistant to automatically join meetings and record to generate a recap. So if you want to enable this, usually this is disabled. You can simply click on this. It will have a red colored option, and which means it's currently turned on. So that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.